we don't have a video.
We don't need it. Hello everybody, my name is Paul Richards, and we're just about to get this live stream started. Let's get ready, Pat. Get a couple more seconds here. Okay, it's time to start this live stream. And today we are talking about Zoom rooms. You asked and we delivered. Everyone has been asking about these Zoom rooms.
Yep, they're very popular. You know,
they've just been so popular lately.
They're blowing up.
And you know, everyone's been asking about it, so we said, okay, we'll figure this out. We're going to build in camera control for the iPad. So let's take a look at what that looks like really quickly. This is the iPad here that you can use to control the camera, the PTZOptics camera, during a Zoom room.
Important
in a Zoom room.
Yep, it is a PTZOptics camera.
Yes, you do need to have a PTZOptics camera connected to your Mac or PC with a quad-core processor, and then the iPad can control the camera, or during a normal video call, if you're the host, you can request far-end camera control and control the camera for, you know, let's say during a telemedicine study or any type of scenario where you need a remote camera control.
Yep. Big one that I've heard is interviews, right? Employees, you know, a lot of these senior level executives either work globally or, you know, they work from home or something like that. So I have heard clients saying, you know, people want camera control, you know, foreign camera control because they work remotely, but they still want to interview potential employees, you know, senior level executives. Yeah, so a lot goes into getting the right talent into your business, and so many HR departments are moving to video conferencing to leverage that.
So we have a lot of things going on with our live stream. So instead of actually demonstrating it live, we're going to show a recorded video that's available online. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We're going to show this recorded video of showing the iPad in action, and then we're going to follow up with any questions that you guys have on the live stream. We're going to talk about you know, the different things that Zoom can offer, and let's go ahead and show the video.
Let's do it.
Okay, my name is Paul Richards, and I'm with PTZOptics, and we're a pan-tilt Zoom camera manufacturer. We've partnered with Zoom video conferencing communications to build in pan-tilt Zoom control with their brand new Zoom rooms. And for those of you who don't know, Zoom rooms are basically a way to add video conferencing to any conference room and an elegant little touchscreen, which I'm going to show off here live. What you can do with that, but basically you can integrate it with Google Calendars or Microsoft Exchange, show all of your meetings in that conference room, and with a touch of a button, launch a video call, mute your microphone, invite more people, and control a PTZOptics camera, which is why we're so excited about it. The other amazing thing now is Zoom rooms are available for PC. For so long, Zoom rooms were only available for Mac Minis. So many of our customers could not integrate with Mac Minis. Mac Minis are not exactly, they don't even have a quad-core Mac Mini anymore, which meant we couldn't use our high-quality USB 3.0 cameras with them. So now we're really excited that now we have a PC version. And currently, I'll show the way I have this set up. I have a PTZOptics camera integrated with this Intel NUC PC. These Intel NUCs are super fast, little Windows-based computers that you can put a solid-state hard drive on, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10 even. And you can see here I've got the PTZOptics camera connected, and then I have a HuddlePod Air, which is a wireless USB 2.0 speakerphone, which is just really awesome. And then I've got my iPad on the same network as my Intel NUC so that they can connect together and the iPad can control the entire video conferencing system. So what I'm going to do is I am going to show, this is a live iPad that I've got right here, and I just want to show what I can do with it. So first thing I can do is mute myself, so I can just completely mute the entire system. I can turn off my video if I needed to do that. I can wirelessly share content, and what this does is it shows you how to share your laptop screen or your mobile device. Any device can actually plug in that share.zoom.us and actually type in that number and wirelessly present. That's any smartphone, any iPad, any camera computer. I'm going to show the camera control here, and what this allows me to do is completely control the PTZ of my camera, which is just awesome. Right from the iPad. You know, if you're just getting into web conferencing right now, it's an amazing time to do so. You know, I remember only 2-3 years ago, customers spending $10,000, $20,000 for a touchscreen experience with like a Crestron or an AMX. Well, now this is a $500 iPad. The software is $500 a year from Zoom.us, which includes all that video conferencing capabilities up to 500 users. It can integrate with Polycom and Cisco and all those different H.323 systems. So it's just super affordable and extremely powerful. As you can see here, I have control of volume. So I can go up and down on my volume as needed. What else can I do here? I can invite participants. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send out just a couple invites, see who I get here. Send out a couple people here, just invite a bunch of people to my meeting. And what that does is it goes out and it sends everyone an invitation to join this meeting. So most likely what's going to happen in a minute here is that a couple people are going to join my meeting. Hi Pat, how you doing?
Hey Paul, how's it going?
Hey, thanks for joining. I'm just demonstrating the ZoomRoom with integration with the PTZOptics pan-tilt zoom camera.
Cool deal.
So as you can see here, you know, I just dialed Pat in really quickly. He could actually take remote pan-tilt zoom camera control and zoom in around my conference room if he needed to. But we're just demonstrating here just how easy it is to pull someone into the video call, invite them directly from the iPad, which we have right here, and just go ahead and, you know, make life easy with a little touchscreen controller. You walk into the room and you launch your meeting. All right, thanks Pat. Thanks for joining. Appreciate it.
Take care, Paul.
Last things I just want to show here is that we can actually change our microphone. So if we have multiple microphones, we can switch between them. Camera. So if we have multiple cameras, we can actually switch between the multiple cameras that we have. We can lock all of our settings down in case we don't want anyone to be able to change them. And there's a passcode on this, so for security. And that's pretty much it. You know, it's really straightforward, extremely easy to use. It integrates all with Zoom, all the video conferencing services that they have, and we have pan-tilt zoom camera control of our PTZOptics cameras. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just email sales@ptzoptics.com, and thanks for watching. So hopefully that was a good overview for you guys on how the ZoomRoom works. Far-end camera control is a little bit different. When you're in a ZoomRoom, you have in-room camera control
with the iPad.
The iPad and everything. Now, if you are just in a regular Zoom client and you want to grab far-end camera control, there's a couple things you need to know. One, you need to be host. If you're not the host and you're trying to give it, you have to make the person who you want to control it host.
You can make somebody a host. So, in case that's your question, yeah, you can give somebody camera.
Yes, and that's really easy to do. You just right-click their video. There's a drop-down menu. You would say, "Let you be host," and then the host will be able to right-click the video that they want. That video camera would have to be a PTZOptics camera, and you could grab far-end camera control with it. Now, there are other cameras on the market that have this too. I know the Logitech does.
Yep.
But the difference is that, you know, PTZOptics is a much higher quality camera. You can change all of the different settings. You can really tweak. In fact, the video we just showed, the settings are a little off. I think we've got them pretty much perfect right now.
Yeah, we're using a PTZOptics, so right now.
We're using it right now. As you can see, you know, our skin tones are perfect. We got a little bit of maybe too much lighting in here. We don't really have our video conferencing lighting on. Whatever. Anyway, you can tell the
Tons of lights.
cameras are extremely high quality, and then
And
there
you can
is
adjust
no
them.
other 20x model on the market. Our 20x USB is $17.99. There's literally nothing else like it on the market. The next camera that's like a body of it's like $4,000, so just not even comparable. So for those situations where you have like a larger auditorium or a boardroom or something that needs a little bit more zoom, it's the perfect camera for those scenarios.
Yep. And also for boardrooms that kind of have existing video conferencing, I always like to recommend the PTZOptics USB models because you can just plug it into a PC and bring cloud-based video conferencing into those rooms. Kind of retrofit them if they will, because PTZOptics, even though it has the USB model, it does have that HDMI out simultaneous, so you can definitely leverage that.
So, one of our, mantras for 2016 is that we're going to keep these live streams short and to the point. Last year we used to do it an hour for every single one.
Yeah.
I don't know what we put in all that time.
It was,
but we're going to keep these really
done.
short. So, that's it. We've got a couple other videos on far end camera control. You saw the video on ZoomRoom control. These are really great cameras. We implore you to book a meeting with one of our sales executives.
Reach out on the site.
Reach out on the
Tons
site.
of information on the site.
So much to watch. So we'll leave it at that, and we'll go ahead and go to our credits rolls. Thank you for everyone for watching, and have a nice day.
Yeah, have a good weekend. Bye, Dave.